Have you ever really wondered how your favorite YouTuber actually pays their bills? It's probably one of the biggest questions out there. And today, we're going to lay out the entire roadmap for making money on YouTube, specifically for creators in the US. Let's just dive right in.
Right? We see the big subscriber numbers, the videos with millions of views. But what's happening behind the scenes? How does that actually turn into money? Most people think it's all about ads, but that's not even close to the full story. The truth is, the most successful creators, well, they're not just making videos. They're building real, diversified businesses. And we're about to show you the blueprint.
So, first things first, you got to stop thinking about monetization as just one big switch you flip on. It's so much more like a ladder. Every single rung you climb unlocks brand new ways to earn and connect with your audience. And for every creator out there, the journey starts with getting your foot on that very first rung. And here it is. This is like the first major boss fight for any creator. Before you can earn a single penny from YouTube itself, you have to get into the YouTube Partner Program. Everyone just calls it the YPP. Think of it as the official gateway. It's that moment your channel goes from being a hobby to a potential business, because this is what gives you the keys to all of YouTube's money-making tools.
Okay, so you're on the ladder. What does that first rung even look like? This is where it gets really interesting, you know? YouTube actually set up an early milestone that has nothing to do with ads. Nope. It's all about letting your most loyal fans, your core community, support you directly. Now check this out. YouTube actually made two different tiers for getting into the program. Let's focus on this first one, the lower tier. All you need is 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. Once you hit that, you unlock something called fan funding. This is a total game changer for new creators because it lets you start building an income stream from your community way before you hit those big numbers for ad revenue.
So, first up in your new toolkit, channel memberships. This basically lets you turn your channel into its own little subscription service, kind of like a Patreon, but right on YouTube. Your viewers can pay a small monthly fee, and in return, you give them perks. Exclusive videos, special badges next to their name, custom emojis. It's a really powerful way to reward your most dedicated fans.
And then you've got the supers. This is basically your digital tip jar. If you're doing a live stream, a viewer can use a super chat to make their comment stand out, or, on any regular video, they can leave a super thanks, which is just a small, one-time payment to say, hey, love this video, great job. It's direct, it's immediate, and it's just a fantastic way for fans to show a little love. And this right here is where you can really see YouTube becoming a full-blown commerce platform. Even at this early stage, you can set up a shop. That means you can link your own merch store, so your t-shirts and hats show up right under your videos. Or you can tag products from other brands and earn a commission. You can start building a whole retail side to your channel without your audience ever having to leave the video. It's wild.
Okay, so you've got your community supporting you, you're earning your first few dollars. Awesome. Now it's time to reach for that next big rung on the ladder, the one that unlocks the income stream everyone talks about, ads.
This is the classic YouTube milestone, you know, the one everybody talks about. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Hitting this target unlocks the full YouTube Partner Program, and with that comes the big automated income streams that can really scale.
And here it is, the famous ad revenue. This is your cut from every single pre-roll, mid-roll, and shorts feed ad that YouTube runs on your content. This is the income stream everyone thinks of first. And for really big channels, yeah, it can be a massive automated moneymaker. But like we've been saying, it is only one piece of a much larger puzzle.
And here's a piece of that puzzle a lot of people just forget about. When a YouTube Premium subscriber, someone who pays YouTube not to see ads, watches your video, you get a cut of their subscription fee. It's kind of this quiet but steady little bonus that pays you for the viewers who don't even see ads on your channel. Pretty cool, right?
All right, so now you've unlocked all of YouTube's native tools. You've got the whole shebang. But here's the secret that the pros know. Earning money on YouTube is only half the battle. The smartest, most successful creators, they use their channel as a launchpad. It's a marketing engine for a business that lives beyond the walls of YouTube. And this is what that playbook looks like when you go off platform. You've got brand sponsorships where a company pays you for a shout out. There's affiliate marketing, you know, all those Amazon links in the description. Then you've got the holy grail, selling your own products where you keep all the profit. You can add in crowdfunding on sites like Patreon and even license that one viral video to a TV show. And all of a sudden, you're not just a YouTuber anymore, you're a media entrepreneur. So we've looked at all these different ways to make money, both on and off the platform. But
Why? Why is it so critical to have so many? Well, it all comes down to one core business strategy that really separates the hobbyists from the career creators. It really boils down to this fundamental difference. On one side, you have your platform revenue from ads. It's awesome when it's working, for sure, but it is totally out of your control. It can change with the algorithm, with ad rates, with policy updates. But on the other side, you have direct revenue. That's your merch, your sponsorships. You control this. It's way more stable because you actually own that relationship with the sponsor or the customer. This right here, this is why diversification is the absolute key to survival.
So if you remember only one thing from this entire breakdown, please let it be this number: 1. That is the number of income streams you should never rely on, especially if it's one you don't control. Your goal is to build a resilient business so that if one stream suddenly dries up, you've got plenty of others to keep you going.
So there you have it, the complete roadmap, from a brand new channel all the way to a full-fledged creative business. The tools are out there, the strategies are proven. The only real question left is, what is your business going to look like?